I hate drinking just water. I'm going to be getting some things that somebody that I know that is now doing the challenge with me has suggested, but I haven't been in the store yet. This is my lunch. It is a burger patty, plain, on wheat bread, with a little teeny tiny serving size amount, which is half a tablespoon. Which, at that point, do we really even try? Of barbecue sauce on it. No cheese. And then over here we have a delicious, very plain romaine salad with some regular sauce on it. When this is done, I'm eating a cake all by myself. I will not be told that I cannot snack, because there's not very many snacks out there. There is one. Popcorn's always a healthier option, but not the bagged stuff, which is just crap. I would need air popped, because then I can do my own thing with it and make sure that it stays healthier. FYI, yes, this part is completely edited because, and not raw, because first of all, I'm filming throughout the day. And second of all, I'm being driven insane by two absolutely loud children. I don't have an air popper because my air popper died 5 years ago. Because I got it 10 years ago, almost. No, 9. About 9. So I was watching a video from the Crazy Russian Hacker. I will not be providing a link because I don't know how he would feel about that. I've never reached out to him, but I do watch a lot of his stuff, and I bought a couple of the gadgets. This is one of them. This is supposed to be like a little bowl. It's a collapsible silicone bowl that you put in the microwave with a little bit of popcorn kernels in it, and you can make popcorn. Open her out. This note just starts with, "Hi there." You can't really see that, can you? That sucks. It says, "Hi there. I want to give you special unadvertised gifts for purchasing from me. You can claim your gifts and your lifetime warranty by going to this link. If you have any questions, needs, concerns, always feel free to contact me personally." And they gave me their actual Gmail instructions. Kind of looks like an industrial funnel. Instructions are: remove the bowl lid.
The bowl lid?
The bowl lid.
The bowl lid?
That's correct. It is also made out of silicone. I didn't actually expect that. I expected this to be like hard plastic. Pour your popcorn kernels, I'm assuming, into here at the lower line, because there's like 2 lines in there. This was supposed to be red. It's kind of more of an orangey color, I think.
Can I see?
I'm not hiding it from you. See? I'd say this is more orange, not red. Definitely looks orange on camera. Very orange.
Very orange.
That's okay. Add salt according to your taste. So you add the salt and drop the lid. So you just drop it. And then it would sit in there. Put the bowl inside the microwave and microwave 2 to 4 minutes, depending on your microwave's power. Mine's usually about 2.5 minutes for a bag of popcorn. Just like every other popcorn will be ready between pops. When paused between pops, this happens. Take the bowl out of microwave. 1/4 cup of kernels to get a full container of popcorn, yet the results may be different depending on your microwave power and the size of the kernels you use. I swear to God, I sound worse. But I got something else from Amazon alongside the popcorn bowl, which I have not used yet because the kids dropped it on the floor. Now it's covered in like floor hair. Good night, baby girl. I love you too. She's been like that for hours. She won't go to sleep. She's my little night owl. She's like that every night. Yes, it can be exhausting, especially when I'm sick and I know that I need to go to bed. like last night, but it's all I wanted. It was all I wanted was to go to bed, but there was no chance. I love you too. I'm pinning my hair up, sort of. See you in the morning. Close enough. Now, I'm going to link a picture right here. That also tells you how much I paid. I love you too. It doesn't have it has a plasticky generic smell. See you in the morning. I love you too. I paid. This is the cheapest wig I've ever bought. I have not had any luck with like lace front wigs and stuff like that. So I gave up. This is just a generic wig. Why? Because sometimes when you've got short hair, it can be a real pain in the butt to wait for it to grow. You do the next best thing. You buy really cheap fake hair that's been sewn together. It looks so shiny. A little bit of dry shampoo though will fix that right up. On Francesca though. Francesca's the name of my foam head. That's too tight. I did that too tight. Hang on. It's a tiny hair piece. Now the reason I went with this one is because I've actually seen it from other YouTubers and they liked it a lot. That's actually kind of cute. I just got to trim the bangs. It's pretty long. Doesn't feel super tangly. I need to shampoo it and condition it. It's kind of cute. It is just a black wig. They had all sorts of colors. Pink. You could have pink hair. You go right ahead. I'm not a pink girl like that. It goes to there. Sorry, not wearing a bra. Who cares? I don't always need a bra. But it's cute. Even straight out of the package, it's like ready to wear. I dig it. Put like a flower headband wreath. That is just annoying. God, I'm so trippy. I like it. I'll probably wash it tonight and then let it dry. And then in the morning, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hello, it's the next day. It's the 3rd now. And I didn't get to wash in the wig yet because oh, darlings. This cold has been upgraded to the plague. Definitely upgraded to the plague. I'm gonna watch this video with you because the first thing I see is somebody holding a glue gun up to their face, and I'm like, please don't do that. Please don't pour hot glue on your face. Please don't. So we're gonna watch this. Let's do this.
I knew it wouldn't take too long. Now I'm watching.
Please don't pour hot glue in your hair. Legitimate concern. And don't.
Like they knew just what to do. I got a crazy.
That'll only work for maybe an hour. Then it breaks.
Feeling you down. So just stop, I love you playing. Got no time for hesitation. Let's get lost in the crowd.
Let's try that one.
If you don't feel it, I'll make you feel it. I'll show you what I mean. If you don't feel it, I'll make you feel it.
If it works really, it just do it.
If you follow me, I could feel your chemistry. All the way
Or you could go to the Dollar Tree and buy a $1 pack of pins.
pretending not to see all the ways I'm into you. I got a crazy idea for you, baby. Got a feeling you down.
Has Jenna Marbles taught people nothing?
Got no time for hesitation. Let's get lost in the crowd. If you don't feel it, I'll make you feel it. I'll show you what I mean.
I'm gonna turn that down.
I know you feel the same. You're the only thing on my brain. Yeah, I know you're trying me now.
Please don't use that to fix your glasses. Please, I'm begging you. Don't trust that girl. Walk on your toes. Seriously, we've all been there. Just seems like a really big waste of hot glue. That not only won't work, but it'll ruin your glue gun. Oh no.
So just stop all of your playing. Got no time for hesitation. Let's get lost in the crowd. If you don't feel it, I'll make you feel it. I'll show you what I mean.
And that'll magically get you a date. I will admit the t-shirt one was kind of cute. Other than that, please don't do these. Please don't pour hot glue in your hair. Please don't do that. Common sense, people. Don't mimic the Tide Pod thing again. Don't pour hot glue in your hair. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. And you'll find out why. Please don't do it. I don't know. I'm sick. I'm gonna stop this day's video and go ahead and edit it together and see you later.
I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.